friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking whole cauliflower in the air fryer. To make whole roasted cauliflower, we need a head of cauliflower, olive oil, or you can use any kind of vegetable oil, and we need seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, garlic powder, pepper, and paprika. So let's start off by cutting off the green part of the cauliflower. So just cut out all the green leaves and throw them out. So now we have whole cauliflower, it's been prepared, and let's season it. I'm going to pour oil over it and then sprinkle seasonings. Salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. And once you season it, let's rub it so it's seasoned evenly. So the cauliflower is now seasoned and ready to be cooked in the air fryer. So I'm just going to wash my hands from oil and seasoning. So let's open the air fryer basket. Put whole cauliflower in the air fryer basket. And I will set the air fryer to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 35 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious whole roasted cauliflower. Perfectly roasted. It looks so good. Look at that. So healthy and delicious. Now let me cut it in half. Perfect. Look at that. Nice and tender inside, perfectly roasted. Now let me try it. Yummy, it looks so good. This is delicious, deeply roasted taste, and it's tender yet still crisp. Perfect texture for roasted cauliflower. You will love making it in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!